Here we will see practical number 17 of digital communication system. The aim of that practical is to test the performance of frequency shift keying, means FSK modulator and demodulator circuit. Frequency shift keying is nothing but for binary input 1 we send one range of frequency, or and for binary 0 we send another range of frequency. Here frequency is shifted, means for 0 value we set one value of frequency. Suppose I will send for 0 I will send 1 kilohertz frequency signal, and for logic 1 we will send 10 kilohertz frequency signal. Means for 1 and 0 the frequency is difference, it is called as a frequency shift keying. So that in this practical the observation table is in this manner. So this one is the observation table of frequency shift key. First one is the serial number, next one is the input signal, then modulated output signal of frequency, and after that waveform. Here our serial number is, first one is the logic 1. For logic 1 we have to measure a modulated signal of frequency and we have to draw waveform, and for logic 0 we have to measure a frequency of that modulated signal and we have to draw waveform. Now we will see a trainer kit. This is the trainer kit of frequency shift keying. In that the digital signal is generated by this circuit. Here we have to output, we will get 10 from digital signal, means digital signal from computer. This is available at this output. This output is connected to the data input of frequency FSK modulator. This input is makes connection to this one, and final output we will observe in FSK output. Here we do not require to adjust a carrier signal because carrier signal is connected internally in this circuit. So we will make first connection or we will see a digital signal output. So here we will turn on a power supply of frequency shift keying trainer kit, and here the positive terminal of CRO is connected to the output of digital signal and negative terminal is connected to the ground. Here now we will observe the waveform of digital signal on CRO. This is the output waveform of digital signal we will observe on CRO, means in the form of 10, that is a digital data. Now we will connect this digital signal output to the data input, means here, and we cannot require carrier signal here because carrier signal are internally applied to a FSK modulator. Now we will observe the output on this FSK output. Now here this FSK output is connected to the positive terminal of CRO and negative terminal is connected to the ground. Here the output of FSK modulator is connected to the positive terminal of CRO, and here the ground is connected to a negative terminal. Now we will observe the output waveform on CRO. This one is the output waveform of FSK. Here for 1 frequency is high and for 0 frequency is low. Now we will observe the both waveform, input waveform and output waveform on CRO. Here the output is an input waveform we have to compare. This one is the input signal and this one is the our FSK output, means for logic 1 we will send high frequency signal and for logic 0 we will send low frequency signal. This is the practical of FSK modulator.